Student, this video for class 9 students. Today we are going to revise the syllabus of July assessment test. It is chapter number 1, rational and irrational numbers, chapter number 2, compound interest, chapter number 3, expansions, and chapter number 4, factorization. Okay, so these 4 chapters we are going to revise. So student, one by one you see the description of each and every chapter, what we are going to do in rational and irrational numbers. Basically in this chapter what we are going to revise, basically rationalization of surds, rationalization of surds. This is very important topic in this part. And this second thing what we are going to discuss, it is P upon Q form. Third, which we are going to discuss, that represent irrational numbers on number line. These things. Apart from this, we will learn sum, difference, multiplication, of surds. Okay, so these things we are going to discuss in chapter number 1. Now in chapter number 2 we have two methods to solve the compound interest. Both the method we have to discuss. Method number 1, that is by using simple interest, by using SI formula, or you can say long form. Second way, it is method number 2. Method number second is based on compound interest. Okay, so both the methods we have to discuss in this particular chapter, compound interest. Here we are going to discuss how to calculate maturity amount, how to calculate the time, how to calculate principal, how to calculate the rate. These two things. Apart from this, we will discuss the appreciation and depreciation also. So one more thing you can add over here, it is appreciation and depreciation. That also we are going to discuss in this particular chapter. So the first chapter and second chapter we have discussed. In expansions, what we are going to discuss, in expansions basically we are going to discuss all the formulae, all related formulae, all formulae. This we have to discuss in this particular part. In factorization, all types of factorization, including middle term split method. So student, these are the things which we have to discuss in these 4 chapters. So one by one you see how we are going to revise these chapters 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now student, we are going to discuss the first question over here. It is rationalize the denominator. Look at this question. What we have to do in this question, first we have to copy the question. After that we have to rationalize the denominator. We have to multiply by this numerator and denominator by its conjugate of the denominator. So conjugate of the denominator is root 3 plus root 2. So root 3 प्लस रूट 2 से आपने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया न्यूमिनेटर में, उतना ही डिनोमिनेटर में भी कर दिया. तो ये बन जाएगा 2 टाइम्स ऑफ रूट 3 प्लस रूट 2. और नीचे क्योंकि a माइनस बी और a प्लस बी फॉर्म है, क्योंकि ये a माइनस बी है और ये a प्लस बी है, तो a माइनस बी a प्लस बी क्या होता है, a स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर, यानी रूट 3 का स्क्वायर माइनस रूट 2 का स्क्वायर. सो इसको आप लिख सकते हो 2 रूट 3 प्लस रूट 2 अपॉन रूट 3 का स्क्वायर हो गया आपका 3 और रूट 2 का स्क्वायर 2 हो गया. तो इस तरह से आपका आंसर आया रूट 3 प्लस this upon 1. So this is your final answer. Okay. तो वी हैव रेशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर. रेशनलाइज द डिनोमिनेटर का मतलब होता है कि डिनोमिनेटर में रैशनल नंबर आ जाना चाहिए इरेशनल नंबर हट करके, क्योंकि पहले क्या था, ये इरेशनल नंबर है, इसको हमने कहाँ कन्वर्ट कर दिया, इसे हमने रैशनल नंबर में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. तो इसे बोलते हैं रेशनलाइजेशन ऑफ शर्ट्स और रेशनलाइजेशन ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर. Now student, you see the second question. If x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5, find the value of x square plus 1 upon x square. ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है. तो सबसे पहले हम ये करेंगे x plus 1 upon x is equal to 5. We have to write. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 5 square. So a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b is equal to 25. So this is your. Now student, we have to start question number 3. This is principal is 10,000 rupees and rate is 10% and time is 2 years, and we have to find amount and compound interest. Okay. So first of all, we have calculated I1. I1 is principal into rate into time upon 100. It is 10,000 into 10 into 1 upon 100. It is coming 1,000. P2 is equal to 10,000 plus 1,000. That is 11,000. Now I2 is equal to 11,000 into 10 into 1 upon 100. That is 1100. So amount at the end of second year will be 11,000 plus 1100. That is 12100. After that, the compound interest can be calculated by the help of amount minus principal. So it is 12,100 minus 10,000. It is 2,100. This is your compound interest. So this is the long method which we have discussed on the basis of compound interest. Okay. Now student, our next question is factorize x square minus 5x plus 6. So in this question, we have to use the middle term split method. X square minus इस 6 के हमें ऐसे फैक्टर निकालने के 5 आ जाए, तो 3 and 2 हमारे ऐसे दो नंबर है, minus 3x minus 2x. After that x is common, x minus 3, 2 common, x minus 3. So x minus 3 and x minus 2, these are the two required factors. So student, on the basis of this, we will do the revision questions in your WhatsApp group. Go through this video properly and do the revision questions from WhatsApp group. Thank you.